welcome to Gardening with Friends. I'm with my neighbors and today we have a fun project. This is front of the house and as you can see it will benefit from some work. Last fall I started. I planted a few sky pencils to cover this concrete wall and lots of bulbs here. And also a couple of Yuccas color guard, so it doesn't have an irrigation system here, and Yuccas will do just fine. They were just overgrown by these vicious weeds. And also we would like to reduce the size of these barberry bushes. They were here for ages, and I'm actually not fond of geometrical shape for this in this piece, and I wanted to give them more natural look. So we'll go thin it out and reduce size a little bit and see how it goes. Let's get to work. And look, we found yuccas. You can hardly see them. Also, we'll get rid of this vine, which is climbing up the wall. Look at this widow's tear's extensive root system. Finally, we got rid of most of the weeds. And now I'm gonna push this soil up so we'll have some space for the mulch. Now I removed most of the weeds, hopefully, from this flower bed. And before putting mulch, let's see if we can thin out these barberry bushes and remove unwanted growth. I'd like to reduce the size at least by 1/3. These have such a sharp and long spikes, so I'm trying to use pretty thick gloves. Let's see how it works. Okay, as sometimes happens, change of plans. I cut this, trimmed this bush significantly, actually more than I thought I would. So I'm gonna come back to this probably late winter, early spring, and meanwhile to see how this severely cut survives, and I just trimmed a little bit the other ones. Now we're ready to mulch. Just need to finish cleaning up. It's all done. Looks a little empty now, but with all weeds gone, I'm sure yuccas will grow in no time and fill up the space.